best crab Rangoon starts with fresh ingredients. Right now, I'm mixing some stuff to make the wonton wrappers. You'll know you added the right amount of stuff after you mix a lardo and have something that looks like this. To make the filling, you're supposed to use crab, but I don't have any, so I'll just use chicken as a substitute. They are both commonly known as white beef, so they're basically the same. Add 1 part cream cheese. I'm using the no artificial kind. 1 part albino green onion. Some garlic, mice. 1 part sugar. And lastly, equal parts 1 parts soy sauce and 1 part windshield wiper sauce. Mix a lardo to make 7 parts food. Next, you want to take your wonton sheets and deal them out. You can deal them out from right to left or left to right. Fill the sheets with the wonton filling. Next, you want to liquefy your fingers and wipe each of the sides. This process is called geofreight wing-a-temple wonton. Form the wonton toast into rangoonis. It should look something like this. Next, you want to brush your rangoonis with egg wash. For best results, I like to use an electronic brush. It's able to reach places that a manual brush can't. Get it, Betty. Done. Taste test. Wonton.